So can we skip to the good? It's so hard. So can we skip to the good part?
Let's meet the cast. The first one is Tiff, our Thai gal, who has tons of posing ideas such as this stepping method, thinking I took a picture here. She is responsible for our trip portrait videos and also unagi taste test during the trip. Lol. The next one is Chow, our guy gal. She's that one type of looks like she can kill you. She can kill you. Chow is responsible for translating as she speaks Japanese. So, we love you, Chow. Lastly, Chow, saya gal, or me. I'm responsible for this account, of course, duh. Unless I'm captured doing silly stuff like this, I'll be behind cam. Yeah. So let's start our video with our Thai girl's idea. And yeah, that's pretty awkward. Moving on, as you can tell, we are here in Malaysia for transiting. Hello, our Malaysia friends. And it's actually our first time to go to Japan. So if you're planning to go to Japan for the first time, let me share you some information on my IG. Please check it out. After dinner, we still got plenty of time before our flight, so we got this idea from the IG to do a live updates presentations. And let me tell you, it's a really great idea, especially after the pandemic era, to catch up face to face. What do you say? Would you do one as well? And we are arriving at Narita International Airport. Angel is on duty as our Tokyo guide. Kanbare! Everybody kusa. Okay, let me stop here. I just realized that I'm living my childhood dream here in Nakasakusa to visit one of the scenes from my favorite comic back then, Haimiko. And wow, isn't it, right? So why did child choose this Asakusa first thing in the morning? Because first of all, we were starving. So yeah, here for food, or maybe you may call it street food venture, like this mochi, or actually you can call it dango. It's the mochi in the skewered with the peanut butter powder. If you're curious what food that we eat, check out my IG for more details. After satisfying our hunger with the street food, we continue further to the temple to, can you guess to what? Bamboo fortune telling! I think it's a fun activity as a tourist because I do not have it back in our country. And whether you believe it or not, it's your choice, but it's still fun to predict or test it out your luck that day, right? It may not as easy as it looks like actually, as the container is pretty heavy with plenty of bamboo stick inside. So basically, you want to shake the container first to get one of the wooden stick or bamboo stick out, and on the stick you will got a number, and you will find your shells, and you pull out a paper inside it, and that's your fortune. And please do not forget to put the bamboo stick inside back. And here is Tiff and me trying, and please do not do it like me. Please shake it politely and get one of the stick and read the number, and yeah, basically just get your fortune. And here, who's got the best fortune? It's me. What's the best activity after dinner? It's exercising.
Langsung 50, keluarkan semua kekesalan.
It's actually an impulsive thoughts because we've been passing this kind of arcade, so why don't we give it a try, right? And I didn't want to lose the child, so I gave it a second try. And that's my satisfied laugh. Hehe. So we move on to the next game that Tiff chose. It's train simulation. It's pretty cool kind of simulation, I think. But we clearly understand about this game. We only understand that the goal is to reach the next destination within the time frame. As you can hear, we keep trying to figuring out how to play this game. Even Chow was having a difficulty on this game, but it's actually our fault for not doing any tutorials before doing this game. Even though Chow explained, but I just couldn't believe that they wore made uniform or even cosplaying for a promotion for a cafe or a store. I mean, there's too many people doing that along this Akihabara street, and second, it's windy. Come on. Fortunately, we are here warm at the hotel. We just couldn't believe that actually the room is bigger than what we saw online, so let us give a room tour. The entrance, and we got 3 beds, and we just couldn't believe it's not a single bed but it's a double bed, even though one of them is a sofa bed. And we explored every inch of the room, and the best part is the bathroom, and I just couldn't believe that we can drink the tap water here. And here we are doing our rock paper scissors to decide our own bed. I lost, but I just couldn't believe that Tiff won the first winner, but she chose the sofa bed. It's weird, right? So just take it. Thank you, Tiff. Thank you. And that's wrap the first video of the Badi series trip to Japan. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next video. See ya! You're still here? Then let me show you my trip. Really my trip. Before I went back home, I just packed my necessity, especially my passport, and then I also packed my trash. Couldn't believe me? Yeah, I packed back my trash home, and I unpack it and I store it to the waste bin. So good choice, right? Yeah, I'm kind of crazy, I know. And a day before the trip, I went to this place. Can you notice what changed? No, I'm not doing a spa, but I do bro trading. And before my flight, 6 hours before, I went to the salon. Yay!